नमस्कार दोस्तों। लास्ट 6 मंथ करंट अफेयर का ये थर्ड पार्ट है इस सीरीज में, जिसमें हम आज 37 क्वेश्चन को कवर करेंगे, जो कि सभी वन डे एग्जाम के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इससे पहले आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच लेक इन राजस्थान वाज नेम्ड India's 96th Ramsar site in December 2025. So the correct answer is B. Silicate Lake. Next question. Which state won the National Energy Conservation Award for the fourth consecutive year in December 2025? The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which product from Andhra Pradesh was granted the geographical indication GI tag in December 2025? The correct answer is Konduru Khadi. Option C. Konduru Khadi is the correct option. Next question. Which state government announced a total ban on students bringing mobile phone to schools from the next academic session? Correct answer is B. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh ban mobile phone in schools. Next question. What is the name of AI platform launched in Nagpur by Microsoft and the Maharashtra government for cybercrime investigation? The correct answer is Mahacrime OSAI. Mahacrime OSAI. Next question. Where is India's first e-waste park? E-waste park based on zero waste model being constructed? The option is B. Olympic Kalan, New Delhi. Olympic Kalan, New Delhi. Next question. Which state declared itself Naxal free in December 2025? The correct option is Madhya Pradesh. Option C, Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which IIT developed an AI lab assistant named AILA in December 2025? So the correct option is IIT Delhi. Option C, IIT Delhi. In October 2025, India launched Operation Fire Trail. Operation Fire Trail to stop illegal smuggling of firecrackers from which country? So the correct option is B, China. Operation Fire Trail to stop illegal smuggling from China. Next question. Which Indian city ranked first in India and 29th globally in the world's 100 best cities list by Resonance Consultancy? The correct option is C, Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the correct option. Next question. The Prime Minister's office PMO has been renamed as PMO. Renamed as the correct option is Seva Tirth. Seva Tirth. PMO renamed as Seva Tirth. Next question. According to the Heritage Football Ranking 2024-25, which monument is the most visited protected monument in India? The correct option is Taj Mahal. Option C. Taj Mahal is the correct option. Next question. In which city will Australia's Victoria University open its first India campus by 2026? The correct option is Gurugram. Option A is the correct option, Gurugram. Next question. Which chief minister's achievement of taking oath for the 10th time was recognized as a world record by the World Book of Records, London? The correct option is B, Nitish Kumar. Taking oath for the 10th time, Nitish Kumar. Next question. Where was the 20th session of UNESCO Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguarding of Intangible Cultural Heritage held in December 2025? So the correct option is New Delhi. Option B, New Delhi is the correct option. Next question. Researchers from which IIT developed a smart polymer gel? A smart polymer gel to control the temperature of buildings. So the correct option is B, IIT Bhilai. IIT Bhilai. Next question. Which state launched the Green Freight Corridor to promote eco-friendly transport? So the correct option is B, Gujarat. Gujarat is the correct option. Next question. According to the CREA report, November 2025, which city was the most polluted in India? The correct answer is Ghaziabad. Ghaziabad is the most polluted city of India. Next question. What is the name of India's first electric vehicle launched for the Indian Army by company Praved? So the first electrical vehicle launched for the Indian Army by the company Praved is Veer. Option A, Veer. Next question. In which state did PM Modi inaugurate the new Vidhan Sabha building on November 1st, 2025? The correct option is B, Chhattisgarh. New Vidhan Sabha building in Chhattisgarh. Next question. Which state became the first in the country to achieve 100% digitization of its voter list in December 2025? The correct option is B. Rajasthan. Correct option is B. Rajasthan. Next question. Where has the world's highest war memorial been established recently? The answer is Galwan Valley, Ladakh. World's highest war memorial, Galwan Valley, Ladakh. Next question. The war memorial near KM 120 on the Darbuk Shock DBO Road honored 20 soldiers martyred at which location? Correct option is B. Sab Jhab. Sab Jhab. Next question. Which state set a Guinness World Record by installing 45,911 off-grid solar agricultural pump in 30 days? The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Installing 45,000 plus solar grid in agricultural pump is Maharashtra. Next question. Which Bollywood actress was named PETA India's Person of the Year in December 2025? The correct option is A. Ravina Tandon. Next question. Which state became the first to issue identity card to women self-help group SHGs in September 2025? So the correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. B. Tamil Nadu. Next question. Which Indian festival was included in UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List on December 10, 2025? So the option is A. Deepavali. UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage List, Deepavali. Next question. A crater on Mars has been named after which Indian scientist recently? A crater on Mars named after which Indian scientist recently? That is M.S. Krishnan. Option B, the correct option. M.S. Krishnan. Next question. What is India's global rank in terms of patent filing with over 64,000 patents filed? So the correct option is C, sixth number, sixth rank. India's ranking in global patent filing, sixth. Next question. In which city of Gujarat will the Museum of Princely Estates be built? So the answer is B, Kevadia. Kevadia city where Museum of Princely Estate being built. Next question. Where was the second WHO Global Traditional Medicine Summit held from December 17, 19, 2025? The correct option is B, New Delhi, where WHO Global Traditional Medicine Summit took place. Next question. Where did the Indian Post Department open its first Z-themed post office? So the correct option is B, IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi. Z-themed post office, IIT Delhi. Next question. Between which two stations will India's in- first bullet train run on August 15, 2027? So the correct option is Surat to Bilmora. Surat se Bilmora. India's first bullet train going to run on August 15, 2007 from Surat to Bilmora. Next question. In November 2025, the Supreme Court ordered which forest in Jharkhand to be declared as a wildlife sanctuary? The correct option is A. Saranda Forest. Saranda Forest to be declared as wildlife sanctuary. Jharkhand's wildlife sanctuary. Next question. A commercial tower in Dubai has been named after which Bollywood star? The correct option is Shah Rukh Khan. He is renowned person in Dubai, Shah Rukh Khan. Next question. In which state has the Tribal Genome Sequencing Project? What Tribal Genome Sequencing Project recently started? The correct option is C, Gujarat. Tribal Genome Sequencing Project started in Gujarat. Thank you for watching.